is the 11 plus?
Well, the 11 plus is referring to the 11 plus test or the 11 plus exam. And the 11 plus exam is an exam that children need to take if they wish to be considered for a place in a grammar school.
Okay, so what do we mean by a grammar school?
Well, grammar schools are state schools, which means they're funded by the government, i.e. not fee-paying schools, that are allowed to use performance in an academic test as part of their selection or admissions criteria. So in other words, grammar schools are schools that can select children on the basis of academic ability as measured by the 11 plus test. And they're the only schools, or at least they're the only state schools, that are allowed to do this.
Okay. And so whenabouts do they take the test? What time of year do they take the test?
Children take the 11 plus test normally when they are in year 6, which is the final year of primary school. And they actually usually take the 11 plus test in the first term of year 6, so during the autumn term. And these days they're tending to take place early in the autumn term, a lot of them in September, but some in October, in order that the results can be provided to the parents in good time before the deadline for submitting the common application form at the end of October. So a lot of them now take place in September.
A lot of parents may not have experienced grammar schools themselves. So perhaps you could explain a little bit about why there are grammar schools.
Well, the purpose of grammar schools is to try to cater for the learning needs of the more academically able children. So children are proving high academic ability by doing well in their 11 plus test, and then they're put with other children of similar ability who have passed, if you like, the 11 plus test. And the idea is that they are in an environment with other similar children in terms of their academic ability, and if you like, the whole school is geared towards allowing them to fulfill their academic potential.
So the 11 plus, though, is quite different to other exams that the child's going to meet in its life, things like the SATs, the GCSEs, A-levels and things.
You're right. And again, this is something that maybe many parents are unaware of but need to be aware of, and probably just as well for the children who take the exam to be aware. And the difference I have in mind is this. When children do SATs, they are what we call criterion referenced, which means that if the child can do this, this, this and this, things from a check-off list, then they have attained a level 3 or a level 3A or a level 3B and so on. And then if they demonstrate that they can do this, this, this and this, then they might attain a level 4. So in other words, there are certain fixed criteria that if the children achieve those criteria, they achieve a particular grade. Now, that same system applies to GCSEs, so that if a child attains or demonstrates that they can do particular things, then they can get a grade A or a grade A star. So that is what is called criterion referenced testing. 11 plus is not criterion referenced testing. 11 plus is what we call norm referenced testing, which means that it doesn't matter what you demonstrate you can do. In the end, what counts or what determines your score is your ranking compared to your peers, the other children who did the test at the same time as you did. So, and we call that group the cohort. So if you happen to be in a particularly strong cohort, i.e. a particularly academic cohort, you'd have to perform extra well in order to be in that top quarter or so who would be eligible to be considered for a grammar school place. And vice versa, if you were in a relatively weak cohort, then you don't need to perform all that well in order to make it into the top quarter. So 11 plus is norm referenced, and it all comes down not to if you like, the child versus that test paper, but that child versus the other members of their cohort, i.e. how well they did compared to the other children. And the old O-level used to be like that too, so that the top so many percent would get a grade A, and the next so many percent would get a grade B, and so on. And it used to be norm reference, and the GCSE is now criterion reference. And so that is a very special feature of 11 plus that is important for parents and children to appreciate.
So if you'd like more information about the courses available, then please feel free to look around the videos on this site or contact the office during office hours on the number provided above. And alternatively, you can email us through the Contact Us page.